Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today, and we are going to be doing an update on our $500 account challenge. You guys know a little over 4 months ago, we decided to fund a Moomoo account with $500 to prove to you guys you don't need thousands or hundreds of thousands to get started with trading. All you need is a solid strategy. So we're going to be talking about the trades that I take, and so I hope you guys all enjoy this. If you guys get anything in value out of it, like and subscribe right now. Do it. Also, if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and pretty much how I find these opportunities, my strategies, my mindset, I would highly recommend going on and checking out the Swing Trading Masterclass. It's down below, it's right in the description, and right now for this week only, the last week for the 50% off sale. So check it out. You guys can use code half off to get 50% off. So check it out down below. I'll see you in there. But guys, let's jump into this here. So this past week, what did we trade? Well, you guys know we called out Macy's stock in the group, and the thing is we took a small trade and we made near and around 4.5% in a week. Guys, I will take that every single time. The thing that I like to do from swing trading is one thing, and that is to make money. So 4.5%, guys, that is beautiful. I will gladly take that. 4.5% compounded every single week for a whole year, guys, is an astonishing return. So this past week, we grew our account from $1,084 to $1,132. Yes, we only made $48.78, but in the reality of it is we're profitable, we're making money, and that is our job as traders. That is our job. And the thing is obviously once you have a strategy and a plan, the only thing that's separating you from making more money isn't a strategy, isn't your approach, it's actually your account size. So, that's the thing that you need to learn. But guys, all right, so let's kind of jump in and kind of talk to you guys about this trade here. So as a swing trader, what do we look for? So for me and my strategy here, I look for a stock that is on some sort of upward trend that have sold off down to some level of support where we know it's gotten buying pressure there. So with Macy's stock here, you guys can see we have this nice upward trend where the stock has gone from near and around $10 down here all the way up to highs at about $22 in the matter of about 7 months. Now, you guys can see we have these blue and red lines. So the blue line represents something called a 90-day moving average line. It acts as support and resistance, trend indication. Now, the red line represents something called the 200-day moving average line. The 200-day moving average line is going to be a harder support and resistance than the 90. So when the stock is above it like it is up here, you guys can see that we've seen tendencies of it getting buying pressure on that line, right? So it hits it and we got that great move. And then recently this was the trade we took. But I do want to show you guys another thing here. Looking at this green squiggly line here, this is what we call the RSI, also known as the relative strength index here. This pretty much tracks momentum in a stock and all that stuff, determining undervalued, overvalued. And you guys can see it was trading for near and around a 30, and the last time it was trading for that was right in here where we had this great move from 17 to about $22. So recently we knew that this stock has a good amount of buying pressure on the 90-day moving average line. We hopped in near and around this, 1850 area, setting our stops near and around 18, risking $1 to make $3.38, which is a relatively decent risk and reward. Now, looking at our target price here was about $20 or so. You guys can see from peak bottom to peak top was about a 9.8% return. And the thing is yes, I did not capture the lowest of the low, and I did not buy or sell at the highest of the high. But the thing is about trading is you're getting in on confirmations and you're selling when your stop loss hits. With this plan here and my strategy, yes, I knew we did have some resistance right here near and around, this
$20, 50 area. We can see it in the past. It hits it. Kind of, it bounced up. That old resistance act as new support. My plan and my approach with it was we're going to do a trailing stop loss. So we're going to move our stop loss up and up and up as the stock moves up. The reason I had this approach is I was kind of hoping we would kind of see what we had in here, where the stock moved up, boom, and then it continued to rally up to 22. So I thought we could possibly get that move where the stock would squeeze up and up and up, and then our 9% return would jump to about a 17% return. But it didn't, and that's the thing about trading. Having that approach, having your plan in place where if it doesn't go sideways or where if it goes belly up, you're still in profit. And if it does take off, you have a plan, you have an exit strategy. And I think that's a very, very solid approach. So this was my trade that I took. And yes, I only took one trade. I have a small account. And so I would rather trade high quality plays rather than a bunch of sloppy plays. That's kind of my approach and plan that I've always had with trading. Is it's always better to have one trade and know exactly what's going on and be very confident, have it follow your plan and your strategy rather than a bunch of bad and sloppy ones. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we will see you guys tomorrow in the next one. And don't forget to check out our swing trading masterclass down below where you guys can learn how I find these stocks and opportunity. So we'll see you guys in there. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.